When you don't have time to visit our service center, we offer pickup and delivery to provide a hassle-free service experience. Contact us or schedule an appointment online, and our pickup and delivery team will arrive at your location to pick up your vehicle. Your vehicle will be taken care of by our certified Cadillac technicians who will diagnose, service, and repair your vehicle, informing you of its overall condition and any recommended maintenance. After the service has been completed, your vehicle will be returned fully sanitized and ready so you can keep running smoothly. At Braman Cadillac, we provide high-quality parts, service experts, and complimentary amenities. Relax in our comfortable waiting area and enjoy complimentary coffee and refreshments. We look forward to serving you.